Hello, hello, Tatum here. Welcome back. Today, I have a 6-minute deep stretch. Let's get to it. All right, hello. Today, we're going to do a deep stretch. I've got a very short segment here for you so that you feel that you can make time for this, okay? Because I know it's hard. I know we're trying to fit in cardio and strength and stretch, and we're trying to eat well and cook, and it's just very hard. So a nice short one here. We're gonna open up here with our chest starting up high and work down towards the ground, all right? So here we go. I just want you to interlace your fingers behind and stretch out here. If that's difficult for you because there's some tightness in that shoulder and chest, I'm gonna have you grab a towel, all right, and just hold the towel. Find a grip that works for you, okay? We're gonna hold this for 30 seconds. We're already halfway in. Just pull up here and breathe. I'll try to keep my energy calm. I have a lot of energy right now for this stretch. Now, 3, 2, and 1. Now I want you to step that left foot back, all right? I want you to fall over that front knee and then just let those arms wrap around. Hold it here. Switch sides here, left leg forward, right leg back, same thing, wrap around, let that head fall. And breathe. Breathe through this. See if you can get a little deeper, step back, bend into that front leg. Good, swing that out. We have one more here. Feet apart. Again, holding on here. If that gets too tough, grab that towel. I'm gonna wrap around with both legs here. Good. Hang out here. Make sure we're breathing. Feel gravity pull you down. Pull the arms. Deep breaths. And breathe. 3, 2, and 1. Come up nice and gently. Good. We're going to come down to a downward dog. All right, I want you to push back. And we're going to do a little twist here. So I want you to take your right hand and grab outside that left leg. Pull on it a bit. Maybe bring your head under that armpit. Give it a twist. Good. Hold it here. Good, 15 more seconds. Good, all right, let's go ahead and come to the center, push back. Right here, I want you to swing your hips side to side just a little bit. Good, we're gonna walk out that dog. So lift a heel, raise up onto those toes, push back into those calves, into those ankles. Good. Now I want you to take your left hand, I want you to reach across to that outside right leg and give it a twist here. Just grab wherever you can on that leg. Give it a twist. Look under your armpit and breathe into it. I know it's uncomfortable, but try to relax into it through your breathing. Good. Walk it back up to the top. Whew, nice work. We're gonna come down. I want you to bring that right leg out. Come down into this little low lunge here, this Cossack stretch, and And then I want you to slide over to the other side. Now, if your heel comes up here and you're on your toes, that's okay. If you can, though, you're gonna try to keep that foot flat, side to side here. Sometimes it just feels better, my right leg to come up on my toes than the other, right? Good. All right, let's go ahead. We're gonna go to a kneeling position here. I want you to bring your left leg out straight, and I want you to just sit back into it a little bit. You can stay high here to get that stretch on into your adductor there, or you can lean down a little bit into it. I like to go into my forearms, put some weight there, lean back, breathe. Deep breaths into the belly. Three, 2, and 1. Good work. All right, we're gonna turn around now to the other side. Same thing. Get that, shoot that right leg out there. Sit back a little bit. Either stay high here and hold, or come down a little bit lower. The whole time you're breathing, okay? Big breaths. It's hard to find your breath again. We're used to shallow breathing a lot. We're used to holding our breath at times. But I promise, once you find that breath into your belly while you're stretching, you really feel the muscles release and relax. We should be practicing it probably during the day a lot of our times, even sitting at a desk. Woo! All right, feel that. Here we go. Come on down here. We're gonna do a little upward dog. Come up, and we're gonna add a twist to it. So I want you to look over that shoulder, twist back. Good, nice and easy. Other side, twist. Back and forth. Three, 2, and 1. And then my favorite stretch, and if you work out with me, you've done this before, we're gonna lay down on our back. I want you to bring that right toe behind your left knee, and you're gonna take that right knee and let it fall across the body. Get that twist. I like to use my hand just to help in that twisting motion here, just to give my knee a little pressure. Then I want you to take your head and turn away from that knee, okay? Away from the knee. There's 2 spots I want you to focus on here. Your hips and lower back, and across your shoulder into your chest there, okay? I want you to breathe into that belly. Let gravity just melt that tension away. Good, we're gonna switch sides. Left toes behind right knee. Bring that left knee across your body, okay? Open up here. Look the opposite direction of that knee. Give a little pressure with your right hand on that left knee. Breathe into your belly, into that lower back, into that outside hip. Feel the stretch through your shoulder and chest. Let it go. This is my favorite stretch after a very hard workout. 3, 2, and 1. Good job. Let's give it a gentle rock. We're gonna rock right up to sitting, couple rocks, and up. All right, there you go. Just 8 minutes long, very easy to fit in. If you can, after a good workout, maybe it's just an evening stretch before bed, but try to get that stretching in. You'll notice the little quote here, I bend so that I don't break, right? So a lot of times, myself included, we get wrapped up into hitting the calories, burn, 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 step, 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 yada, 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 and we forget that we need to stretch, right? That's part of good health, right? Being able, for me personally, as I age, I want to be able to tie my shoes, I want to be able to put my shirt on, I want to be able to get up and off that ground, right? So we need to add that stretching in, and it'll keep us injury free, okay? So thank you for joining me. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up, ring our bell so you don't miss one. We're posting daily, and leave us a comment. We'd love to hear from you. Have a great day.